Hi, this video is basically to educate how to talk to someone who has lost a loved one. Um, Within our culture, basically, even within the same generation, there is variation in culture, there is variation in thought process. So, what works for one person may not work for another person. So, it is always better to ask the person what kind of help or how they would like to feel supported right now. It's always better to ask if you are not sure. So, what are the things that we can do? We can offer them material support, like you can buy them food, even if they are able to buy food for themselves. Just that moment when you buy food for someone, that shows your care for them. That is what is important at that time. So you can send food, you can send any kind of material that they like, you can send flowers if they are into it, or you can even send money if you think that will help them. But the don'ts is that do not impose your values about religion or about any philosophical view that they do not already subscribe into. For example, even within the same religion, do not keep talking about the spiritual aspect of death and after death when they do not believe in those things, because it's not about your values, it's not about religion, it's about the person who has died, and it's about the person who has lost them. So we should not talk about those things, and we should also not talk about our own personal experience, because every one of us have faced someone's death in some or the other way, and we have all been affected. But at that moment when you talk to someone who has lost someone, it is better not to bring those things, because each person grieves differently. Not every person thinks about death the same way. So better let the person talk, ask the person questions, share memories. And it is nice to share memories which has happy endings. Share about the values that the person who died had. For example, you can say he was a very honest person, and you can share a story about their honesty. And you can share about if it is a daughter who has lost a father, you can say that how the father's honesty is seen in the daughter. So it reminds the daughter that even though the father has died, she still has some value that reminds her of the father. So you can do that and show support in any way. And right now it is difficult to be physically present with people who have lost loved ones. So that doesn't mean that we cannot call them, or that doesn't mean we cannot text them. It is always better to call, but you can give it a few days. And please keep in touch. Do not hesitate to tell them that you are thinking about them. Even when you don't know what to say, you can simply tell them, I don't know what to say, but I'm thinking of you, I care about you. Do let me know how I can help you through this situation, through this phase. You can tell them that.